In our web-centric world, web applications are integral to our daily routines, from shopping online to engaging in social media. Yet, convenience demands responsibility. Let's explore the top 4 threats demanding your vigilance. 1. Cross-site scripting, or XSS. Here, hackers inject malicious code into websites, potentially pilfering sensitive data like login credentials. Be cautious with the sites you visit. Robust security measures are paramount. 2. SQL Injection. Cybercriminals exploit database vulnerabilities for unauthorized access, risking exposure of sensitive data. Web developers implement secure coding practices to thwart SQL injection attacks. 3. Cross-site Request Forgery, or CSRF. This deceitful attack tricks users into unintended actions, often leveraging logged-in sessions. Always log out, especially on shared devices, and exercise caution with unfamiliar links. 4. Security misconfigurations. Overlooking web application security can create opportunities for attackers. Regularly update and patch applications, optimizing server configurations for enhanced security. In this ever-evolving cyber threat landscape, awareness is your strongest defense. Stay informed, use robust passwords, keep software updated, and report suspicious activities. Your online security is firmly in your hands.